He'll do the same as got chainsaw on the truck.
So, Jeremy, I have to ask, why are you cutting this tree down?
You shall see.
Out here, and as you can see, Dover is working on another tree with Alex. It's very curious what he's doing out here. I mean, I can't really put my hands on it.
I got a chainsaw.
Yeah, a chainsaw. But I think what very curious. Very, very curious. Yes, Jeremy's cutting trees down. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And ladies and gentlemen, it is a good day. The new shop, which you can clearly see behind me, we're doing work on that thing and it's getting closer. Now here's the significance about the new shop. Number one, we've got several insane customer pay builds that are coming in. We're getting engines and transmissions showing up, all kinds of parts, all that. Number two, the winner of the subscriber giveaway on the patron page, link is right below. That car is also getting built in this shop. So this shop is going to be ridiculously busy. And not only that, but we're going to continue to do projects on all of our cars. I mean, we've got a ridiculous amount of cars being built in this shop. So anyway, let's go inside, see what's up, make some progress. Whoa! Good God. Coming along. So, the shop is seriously coming together. Dover, what do we got here so far? They did the insulation, foam insulation. Because now we're throwing up some walls.
Yeah, and then paint.
Then we'll throw up some paint.
Move in.
And we start pulling some cars in here. We got to get the lift up. We got to get the lift. The lift is going to go right here. But yeah, here's the foam. It's going to be here, I'll switch it for you. Yeah, the foam is going to keep it. Hold on. The foam is going to keep it, whatever we decided in here, hot, cold, whatever. So that's going to be really nice, especially in the summertime when it's really hot. That's going to be nice. So Dover, in this corner over here, that's where the bathroom will be.
That's it.
So we don't have to go in the woods anymore. That'll be nice. Bathroom right here. You can see, yeah. You can see the pipes right there. So this will be the business area. But we got the skyjacker here. So right now we're gonna get some walls up and probably start doing some painting here for too long. Who knows? So, Corey, you're having a little difficulty with the sprayer today. Dude, you were totally about to paint, and then it made a little bit of a mess.
I don't think it's messed up.
It may be. Like, you did get some paint on, but we got a leak here. So, we're actually getting done here. Whole back wall, you can see is up, going up the side here. It's getting there. It's getting there. We can just get Corey, get this paint gun done. We'll be good to go. Corey, I got faith in you, dude.
It wasn't leaking here, was it?
No, it was coming out of there. Yeah. All right, let's get after it. So the work is coming along. We're getting there. Hold on, let me show you what we're working with here. Put a little paint down on the back wall. Make it happen, but hold on. Did have to show you real quick some of the exclusive wall art for the new shop. Look at that. Oh my God. So we got a red background in front of the actual cutout itself. That is sick. I cannot wait to see that up on the wall. That's gonna look freaking, excuse me, that is going to look freaking phenomenal. Okay. All right, guys, so we gotta wrap it up, but I gotta give Corey all the credit today. Corey, you've had a rough day. As you can see, the paint gun has like exploded on Corey like 10 times.
House paint is not my specialty.
It's not our specialty, yeah.
Car paint is my specialty.
But that is what's up, guys. I know it's not building cool cars and all that stuff, but I did want to let you kind of see what we're doing as far as putting the shop together. A lot of work going into it. And again, as always with the car builds, it's a team effort. We're all just out here getting these walls up, getting the paint up, all that. One last look. Yep, new shop is going to be ridiculous. You're going to love what we got coming in this shop. It's going to be amazing. It's going to actually have a bathroom inside. Who'd have thought it? But anyway, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And hopefully we'll be moving in this bad boy very soon. It's going to be real. Everybody take care.